if you want to create a Wix website on your mobile device, or if you don't have time creating your website via PC and you just want to get started here, well, there is a way for you to create one using your mobile device. So what do we need to do here? Now, first things first is we need to download the official app from Wix. Now, the great thing about Wix here is there's an official app that you can download, and this is where you can manage or even create your website. So, in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store here if you're using an Android device. And from here, look for Wix Website Builder. Now, go ahead and install this. Now, I already have this installed. So, once you have this installed, you go and click on Open. Now, inside the app itself, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and log in into your account. But once you've logged in, it should give you the option to view your stores. Now, if you don't have any stores yet in your account here, it will prompt you if you want to create one. But yeah, so this is what you should be seeing. Now, at the very bottom, you should see the Create New button. Let's go and press or click on it. Now, the process is pretty much similar to PC here. It's going to ask you what do you want to do here? How do you want to set this up? So let's go and choose the Setup Without Chat option. Now, from here, you just need to answer the following options. So, for example, maybe we want to create a portfolio about fitness. Now, let's go and choose a portfolio for fitness. And by the way, you can go and select the predefined options here. So it's a great way for you to like really specify or narrow down your options later on. But once you do select that, let's go and just select portfolio here as an example. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, you want to go and just choose the apps that you want to add. So let's go and choose blog. Now you can also add like groups, store, programs if you want to. But for now, we are good. Let's go and click on next. Now it's going to ask you your site name. So maybe I want to say this is going to be my fitness blog. Let's go and click on Let's Go. It's going to start preparing your dashboard here, and that should basically automatically allow you to create your Wix website. Let's go and click on Go to Dashboard. Now, inside your dashboard, there are a lot of things that you can manage in here. Like, for example, if you want to add items or add whatever you want, adjust your messages, manage your URL, and basically set up everything that you may need in here. Now, at the very top, you should see site setup. You can go and click on View All here, and you can go and just follow the usual stuff here. Like, for example, get your custom business email, designing your website, connecting a custom domain, getting found on Google, and a lot more. Now, just to give you some idea of what you could do here. Now, the homepage is where the general information about your website is going to be added. Now, if you want to add something, go and click on the plus button at the top right here. Then if you want to create like a blog post or an invoice or a pay link, an announcement or a price code here, that's the easiest way for you to do that. Now, if you choose analytics, you should be able to see different information about your blog or your website here. You also have the AI chats here if you want to interact with Astro. And also, you should have the option for inbox. Now, inbox is where you can chat with your customers if you set up chats, or if you've installed the chats functionality or Wix chats in your website. Now, if you click on manage, this is where you should be able to start accessing tools to manage your website. Now, there are a lot of things that you could do in here, but let's just wait for this one to load up real quickly. So inside the manage section, you should have the option to access your getting paid section. So if you want to set up your pay links, your invoices, also your sales, your blog, if you want to visit whatever you publish in your account, like posts, comments, categories, a lot of those things. Even your settings here, if you want to access the business info, media manager here, if you want to upload or delete or manage your media like photos and videos. Now, if you want to design your website, well, this is where it actually gets complicated. Now, if you just want to edit or build the mobile app for your website, you go and just choose mobile app here and start designing it. Like you go and click on view or edit here to start designing that app. As you can see right now, you should have the option to start designing this. You can even publish it, see the screens, and a lot more. So if you want to design it, just click on design. But if you want to edit the actual website, well, this one is complicated because in order for you to edit this, you need to access your PC. Now, this is the only limitation here with the app itself. So if you want to fully edit it, well, you need to access this via PC. Well, yeah, basically that's the only thing that you can't do in here, like fully edit the desktop version of your website. But if you just want to edit the mobile app, you can go ahead and do that via this way. Click on edit here, and just give you some idea, go ahead and click on design. And yeah, you have the option to change the color theme, text theme, and a lot more. But that's about it. So that's how you create a website on your mobile device here. Obviously, there are a lot of things or other things that you could do in here, but those are the basics in order for you to get started. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.